Hi, this is a video continuation of a previous video. We implement a Bluetooth scanner and we implement and I show the Bluetooth result in a logit in a previous one. So now we are going to see how we can take the Bluetooth output devices and we list them in a UI screen. So we are going to show over here, and I'm just going to show this is a view model, and this class we are not no more we are using. I am just cleaning this process. I just cleaned, and we are using start scan and stop scan project, and here only this is the place we are getting the device name and device address. So what we are going to do is we are going to create device one model class, and I just added a package called a module or data class like that. Data in this data class we are going to add Bluetooth devices or just devices. So already we have a Bluetooth devices class, so we just created a devices um, device data class. In this data class we are going to add where name string, where address string. So this is a device data class, and actually we are going to add this data class in a view model. Two things we have to add, like well device list. If you are not understanding anything over here, please check the previous three videos and come to this video, because without understanding you don't know how we are getting the Bluetooth devices over here, how we are getting the name, addresses, and what is this intent filter. All those things you don't understand, so please check the previous one and come here. Mutable list of devices. Okay, so this is the device list. So here we are going to add device list dot add. We need this device. So device dot name comma device dot address. Okay, so we just added the list over here, device list. Private device list. Okay, so this everything will come here as a device list. So now we are going to change the layout over here. This start scan, stop scan, we don't want this one in a top. Okay, we keep that in a top, and we just add one Recyclerview. Recyclerview is like Recyclerview. You can give match parent, or you can give 0 dp. This one is wrap content. Actually, sorry, this is not a Recyclerview, this is something some view. Okay, Recyclerview Android X. Okay, scanned devices. This is up to data binding. I am going to show you how the data binding will work here. Okay, so we just added a Recyclerview, and we have to start to the start of parent, end of start to the start of parent, end to the end of parent, to the bottom of parent. I think we don't need a bottom to the bottom of parent, top to the bottom of any one button. ID is equal to start button. Okay, stop button, stop button, stop button. Okay, so actually you have to add a barrier, and after that you need to add, but this time Just to show you, like that's why I'm going scan devices is ID, and we have in this binding we'll just create one adapter also for this one. Inside this one I create one package called adapter, and in this adapter package I'm going to create one adapters class. It's like device adapter. Okay, and a device adapter will have one in already Recyclerview will have one inside inner adapter, right? Class adapter class device view holder extends Recyclerview dot view holder. So actually in this view holder we have to pass one parameter. It's like here, and it extends Recyclerview dot adapter view holder. Okay, create constructor, and we have to implement the three things right over here. Okay, cool. So this one we'll create one small layout over here for Recyclerview. It also a binding layout. Device item is a layout. So as usual I said data binding need to encapsulate with layout file, layout tag. So this is a data binding one. So how to implement data binding in a Recyclerview, you can see over here now. So this is a data binding class, and we are going to see over here, right? The thing is val is equal to data binding utility dot inflate from parent dot context comma r dot layout dot device item comma group is parent and comma false. Okay, so this is what, let's see why it is happening. Not enough information to inform. Okay, this one is device item binding. Okay, so this is what this, and we have to return there is a big view. So now if you put it, add parameter will be different. Okay, so device item. So this device item we need to pass over here. So for passing, okay, now we can pass it device item for root. Okay, now it is passing. So this is what the binding thing will create. So I used to put this one in the last command. To put this one in last phase. Okay, so the count will be, you have to add number of items. The thing is you need to have a device list items. So view model will have the device list, right? So you just copy and paste it over here, and this device list is a data we are going to send to here, and this return type is this one dot count size, and this bind view holder. What we are going to do in bind view holder is I am going to create one function over here, bind. Okay, so this is a function. So this holder is a view holder. So every time we val device is equal to device list position. Okay, so from this position we are going to send this data to holder dot bind device. Okay, so now we are having this one in here. Device item dot, we don't have anything. Actually what we are going to do is we are going to add two text views over here. Text view, match parent, not match parent, wrap content. So I'm going to add one more data tag in this file, data tag. So data tag have variables, so variable is device. Okay, so in this device I'm going to create this variable in that XML. So I'm going to create this XML dot devices. Okay, so text, this is two-way binding. In this two-way binding is like getting and setting. For edit text, spinner, all those things we have to put equal to over here. If there is no equal to, this is a, there is no input from UI side to there, only the backend. It's a one-way binding. So device dot name. Okay, so you can add, if you can't see something or anything, means you can add default value. Default is name. So actually if this one is null, in the sense you can change the value like no name. So if the device is null, it will show like no name. Okay, so this one like start to the start of parent, top of parent, id is like device name, this one is device address, device address. So I'm going to top to the top of, not top to the bottom of device name. Okay, address. Okay, fine, so good. So device name, device address, and we completed. Actually we have device item dot sys devices is equal to the device we are getting over here, device. So now we are sending, this is a UI item, we are sending this one, this device data to this device, so it will automatically bind over that. So we don't need to code anything in a Recyclerview right now. Only thing you have to, this is a private web fun, add item devices. So device list dot add device, and notification, notify item inserted in the position of device list size. Okay, so this is a add item. So whenever the thing is adding, it will add it over here. So all Recyclerview adapter things are over. So now we will go and see, set all those things in a view model case. Okay, so we are getting all the data over here, the device is created over here. Okay, so actually we want to create one adapter here. We'll create an adapter. The adapter thing is kind of device adapter, right? Where is equal to device adapter. We created a device adapter. So in the device adapter, device adapter is over here. In this device adapter, we have to check if device adapter dot not equal to null. We are going to device adapter dot add item, this item actually. Okay. Device adapter, okay. We don't need this one. Okay, let's fine. Actually, there is a complication, just clumsy it will be. Maybe we need anyone only. On the flow we will remove anyone, so no need for now. So either we need this or either we need this. Okay, so the thing is, you have another one particular options called, we have a face. The thing is, let me show you. You can create one particular variable in a exact recycler view. You can add it over here like android.recyclerview list item or whatever it is. You can use it like that. For using like that, you have to get the things let me show you. You have to create an object and you have to use binding adapter. There is a binding adapter in by data binding. It will very useful for you to take it. So let me show you that one. I'll create one package called util. In this util we are going to create one class called common fields. Mostly this will be a file. Okay, for that we are going to create static objects over here. So object common fields, you can take it at common fields. Okay, fine. So we need one function. We are going to create one function, and the kind of function which not create, we are going to extract one function from Recyclerview dot set adapter. So here you don't want to, you want to send only the particular thing, variable or the value changing thing. So we are going to add like device. We are going to send only one device like that. So this will be like binding adapter, and this must be JVM static. This must be JVM static, and this binding adapter will have Android adapter. Okay, so the Recyclerview view, you can get it by this. Okay, this is a Recyclerview, you can get it over here. So we will call if this dot adapter not equal to null. Okay, so we are going to create one adapter over here. Well device adapter. Okay, so then now this is Recyclerview. This dot layout manager is equal to linear layout manager. Then this dot context will be in all the views, so you don't want to feel about the context forgetting. Set adapter is equal to device adapter. Okay, so we created an adapter. So if it is not null, what we are going to do is this dot adapter dot set, not set one. So this one we have to cast to our device adapter. Okay, we'll get that one. Sorry, this is my system issue, funny issue. Adapter is equal to, okay, this dot adapter as device adapter. Okay, now adapter dot add item device. Okay, paka. So whenever the device is changing, if it is not null, sorry, if it is equal to null, it will create. Once it is created, it will change automatically. Okay, now this adapter, no, you can using this one, you can directly add the value in the recycler view like this. Okay, we have given here the Android is to adapter, I think. So we don't want to give Android adapter. We just give, I change the name adapter, and now it is working. Let's check. So we have, this is have only view model, and now in that view model we have that device list actually, right? In that view model we have device list, this one here. So instead of this we have to create another one parameter. So keep on adding whenever the data is changing over here, we have to change that thing over there also. We need to set the device over here. We have to variable dot device, the same device parameter over here. From here to, we'll take that one and put it here. Okay, so the device need to be added over here, device. Okay, now when I'm giving, it is going directly to this space and it is over here. So now the task is to update the thing from here to here. Okay, so for that I'm going to create one mutable live data. It's like well, data mutable live data device. Okay, my live data device. So from here I'm going to post the device, post the device, and this device I am going to get it in activity as like that. Over here, view model dot data dot observe lifecycle owner, not lifecycle owner is this, and observe. Okay, so this will be observe over here. In this place I'm binding activity binding dot device is equal to it. Okay, this needs to be work. Let's see it is working or not. I'm just running in my phone. Need to send some dummy. Let's find out. Device name must not be null. Wait, device name must not be null. I'll change this to device. Okay, then dot name comma dot address. Okay, now we'll check. Okay, this one give error over here. We have to change the things over here. Okay, so you can directly pass that one also. Again, what? Must not be null. Okay, why it is coming as null. Hmm. Okay, let me show you guys. Sorry, I didn't notice you. I didn't show. Okay, I'm just going to debug these things. Start scan, started, it's done. Okay, it's coming inside. Okay, so device is there, device address, where's the name? Okay, we'll add it dot not equal to null means that one is equal to null means we'll add like no name. Okay, I'll press this one because the name is not coming actually, so if it is not null we'll show this one. Okay, see the address is founding, but I think you can see those things. Let me show you another thing. I think it is not updating properly. We have to figure it out, that one also. I think I did a big mistake. Whew. This is a issue. This is not a issue, this is a UI issue, I think. Sorry guys, I think I wasted your time also. Where is the adapter? Most common mistakes in device. This must be wrap content. Very silly mistake, right? Very silly mistake, right? Okay. It's washed out. Sorry, I think I got waste all of your times. I just crop everything, mostly most of all those things I'll crop, and you can see now it's detecting all your data and all these things. Okay, so I think we can use all insert and dot chains, inserting, list all those things. Okay, we are listing, but this is thoroughly by data binding. This is the only one is acting as a recycle view. You can use this recycler view as anything. You don't want to use one all. You can use for all the recycler view the same adapter itself. You can just change the parameter only. It's if you give it as a type variable, you can give any input and you can load it in the data, any adapter also, because we are not specifying any adapter things also. We can, based on that, you can change it. So this is a major advantage of data binding. So let's I think this video is little bit confused, and if you have any query about this video, anything you need, just DM me or just pin me in command. I am willing to clarify about this, because this is a very clumsy video, I know that, but I don't want to post it actually. But we already done almost ending, so I don't want to confuse you guys from starting again, and that's why I did like this. So this is a we are listing this one, and in future videos we are going to connect to one of the Bluetooth and sending data and receiving data in the upcoming videos. And we are going to see side by side the data binding and MVVM architecture. Still now we used view model and binding one, and we didn't use repository. Actually, we have to transfer a lot of codes to repository. There is a basic benchmark for MVVM, and we have MVVI also, that one. So we will see in that one, we'll do separate playlist. Sorry, I think this video is more than 30 to 40 minutes. I'll trim everything. I'll remove all the unwanted parts and unwanted things and lagging time. all the thinking material, everything, and I'll give you the best under 25 minutes. Okay, yeah, thank you. If you like this video, just click like, and if you have any doubts, give me comments, ask me in comments, and please subscribe for the upcoming playlist or upcoming videos. Thank you.